The state of Bihar in India is home to Nalanda, where a great center of learning thrived in the 5th century BC. Today, however, while India has brought a record number of children into elementary school, the fact that they are not learning enough is a matter of great concern. The challenge is particularly severe in Bihar, where there is an acute shortage of teachers. The state now not only plans to hire an unprecedented number of teachers, it also aims to train them to teach effectively.
Now the major challenge before us is the quality of education. And in order to improve the quality of education, our focus is on improving the competence of the teachers.
सबसे बड़े चैलेंजेस तो रहे कि चूँकि हमारे प्रशिक्षण संस्थान एक लंबे अवधि से सारे के सारे बंद थे, हम प्रोफेशनल शिक्षक ही तैयार नहीं कर सके जो हमारे लिए शिक्षक बन सके.
A $250 million project by the World Bank Group now aims to help the state train some 450,000 elementary school teachers. For this, the project will help revive long-closed teachers' training institutes and use ICT to train teachers as well as monitor their performance.
कोई तो किसी भी तरह से पढ़ा सकता है, लेकिन एक अच्छा शिक्षा देना बच्चों में किस तरह से दे सकते हैं वो डाइट में सिखाया जाता है.
जो बच्चे तेज होते हैं.
A unique feature of World Bank support is that funds will be disbursed only when pre-agreed results are met.
The loan which World Bank is going to provide us for enhancing teacher effectiveness in Bihar is disbursement linked indicators loan, which means that unless we achieve indicators as specified in the loan document, we will not be given funds by the World Bank.
This focus on results-based financing from the World Bank Group could eventually influence the way the government decides to flow its own resources through the system. With these changes, Bihar aims to build on its rich heritage as a seat of learning.
जो मुझ तक ना पहुंच सके, लेकिन मैं उन बच्चों तक पहुंच सकूं, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं उन बच्चों में मैं भी हूं. हर बच्चे के अंदर एक क्षमता छुपी हुई है जो हम उजागर कर सके.
थोड़ी सी बीच में दिक्कतें आई हैं, उससे नालंदा का ज्ञान नहीं रुकने वाला है. इस डाइट के माध्यम से ये और बढ़ेगा, सरकार के प्रयास से ये और बढ़ेगा और बहुत जल्दी हम लोग अपने पुराने निखार को प्राप्त कर लेंगे.